Welcome to another video. I am so happy that the weather is so much better, so all of these videos are nice and sunny t-shirt weather, although I'm still sweatpants. I like to be comfortable. So what's happening today? We are going to Gresham Auto Wrecking. We have to pick up a few parts for this BMW. And then there was something else, some other car. My BMW, radiator hose, the bottom one. And then something else, I don't remember. But I have new ignition coils and spark plugs on the way for that Mazda. We'll need to do an oil change on this car, replace the bulb, and that one will be good to go. What else do we got? Malibu I gotta clean up. Sonic, man, parts are actually super expensive for this car. Like driver airbag is 250 bucks, cheapest one that I found. And then the seatbelt is like 100 bucks. Oh, that's in there, should probably take that out. But anyways, we're taking the E-Class, make sure it's still running aces with no issues, and heading out to Gresham Auto Wrecking. Still started. When I say we, I mean me and my brother. Wherever he is, here he comes. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Welcome, welcome.
Welcome.
I think we should put the floor mats in here. Oh, and we got to take this car through the car wash. See how well it looks. First wash for this car. I mean, just look at how filthy this windshield is. Everything is just super, super dirty. So we're gonna wash it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Kind of thought I'd park a little bit better, show you guys the car a little bit better, but not now. Andrew, what are we trying to get here?
Panduit.
What is it?
Panduit.
Panduit? I'm not an electrician. I have no idea what that means. There it is. So now I, and possibly you guys, learned something new. Panduit? Is that what it's called?
Oh, Panduit is the brand name for it.
Oh. Made in the USA. Look at you supporting our wonderful country. Down here. Load it up. Actually, pretty roomy trunk.
I'm taking mine, I don't know about you.
Nice. I'll put mine in later. Okay, let's head to Gresham Auto Wrecking. We made it. There it is, Gresham Auto Wrecking. At least what's left of it. Let's go find Fred. Fred is Andy's brother. Andre should be through here. German graveyard, where Andy kills the remainder of the German cars. So we need a few parts for Andre's wagon. And that's a potential, but that's a pretty filthy headlight. Let's see if we could find anything else. TT, 5 Series, a whole bunch of Mini Coopers. Gresham Auto Wrecking got everything. German cars, that is.
That M3.
This looks like a 3 Series. Yes. Okay, so this is the type that I have, I think, but this one might be a 335. And I don't know what the difference is, but this is the part I'm looking for, guys. So, what is that, water pump? But this basically looks like almost the piece I need. And see, what sucks is, this is where it basically holds. Oh, this one is different. On mine, it goes up top, and I cannot reach those bolts. Like, this would have been so easy. Bummer. Too many cars, too many variations. I'm gonna go talk to Fred, see if they have a catalog, like a computerized system, maybe you could point me to a few cars, because honestly there's probably over 500 cars here. Look at this thing. This is pretty rare. Oh, 236K. Sounds like battery's still chirping. Everyone's helping. It looks like we got a winner.
The E93.
E93. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That one does look solid. Bam! Okay, made it home. This is the part I got. Part number matches, which is gonna go under here, pretty much like this. And honestly, I think I'm gonna take it to my mechanic and have him replace it. I so don't want to deal with it. So today was somewhat a short video, but I still hope you guys liked it. Please consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in another video.